always convince me to do this shit.
We can hear thunder.
Feeling it, man.
Get the heck out of here. How do you feel about your boots? So it's 4 a.m. right now. I'm just getting stuff ready for the hike today. We're gonna go to Mount Sherman this morning. The trailhead for Mount Sherman. 6:20 in the morning right now. It's brisk. There are these mining operations that are still left over here on Mount Sherman. That's one of them right there. There you go, first sunshine of the day. Woo! It's beautiful. Scree! Lots of scree. This whole mountain's scree. Oh, woo! Oh yeah. We're going up. Almost there, just a little bit further to go. Hey, on the summit, look at this view. Alright, back at the car. That was awesome. I would definitely recommend Mount Sherman, especially if you want to get your toes wet doing a 14er. You haven't done one before. Comparatively pretty easy, and you get some great views. It's not super crowded. It wasn't like super crowded. It got a little more crowded the later on. It's Friday today, but yeah, definitely a big thumbs up. Okay. It's almost time to get going. It's 2:50. It's about 20 minutes to the trailhead. Breakfast of champions. Let the dog out. She's not coming though. Sorry, dog. Don't tell her, okay? Oh god. It's like a Blair Witch Project. We're about to start. It's 3:15. We're about to go to Quandary Peak, but Mike just got in town
and didn't sleep.
Didn't sleep, and that was like 6 hours ago. Maybe 7. I don't know, something like that.
Yeah,
so
from sea level.
yeah. So wish us luck. Oh yeah, mile in, and yeah, doing good so far. Right? How you doing?
Doing good.
Feeling it, man.
The one time I upturn a rock. You didn't trip all day until that one part. And action.
This type of beauty you can only get by leaving it before 3 o'clock in the morning.
1,000 feet.
13,000.
Every step is the highest in vertical I've ever been.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh man. He also got here at like 8 p.m. last night, so I wouldn't advise this for you at home. But we're going slow. We're being smart. We're going slow.
Yeah.
So,
Tom's ready to turn around if I need to.
yeah. We'll jet if Mike's not feeling good. So, but we do have the staircase coming up. I don't know if that's actually what it's called, but after doing this a few days ago, that's what I'm calling it, because I feel like it's basically just stairs up into the sky. So. They like just don't look down. Yeah. It's like just don't look up, you know? It's like almost to the summit. Got about 200 more vertical feet.
It's like a weird drug.
It is like a weird drug.
This is great. So proud.
Yeah, dude. Proud of you, man.
That was not easy.
I know, dude, right? Yeah, it's a struggle for sure, man. All right, almost there.
Yeah, I don't remember last time it took me 3 hours and 48 minutes to walk 3.5 miles.
Yeah. Mike, first 14er, what'd you think?
In the bag. Happy that it's done. No sleep, no acclimation, straight to it.
This is wild, man. That's so crazy. I can't believe you didn't sleep.
I tried. I was so excited to do my first 14er that I didn't do the necessary sleeping.
Okay, we're doing DeKalb today. It is 5:45. I'm trying to knock out 4 14ers and 1 ridge. Does that count?
I'm counting it.
Yeah, I'm gonna count it.
Oh, what's going on, guys?
That's the energy.
Yeah, let's try that one before we go.
No, that was great right off the bat. 5 a.m.
It's early. How are you have so much energy? How are we feeling?
Good.
Yeah, it's just pretty cool.
Unicorn majesty.
I hope you're just gonna.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, dude. How picturesque is that? Just past 13,000. Working our way up. Sun is out. A little breeze. Beautiful day. Beautiful, beautiful. We're going a clockwise route. So we'll be coming down Bross.
1,100 feet more to go to get to the top of Democrat.
Woo! Wow. That's amazing.
Great going down.
Oh yeah.
You can't even make a sound right now.
I'm trying not to breathe hard while eating this PBJ.
What I do, and it actually kind of got smashed in there. What you want to do? You want to do a healthy layer of peanut butter on both sides.
You over peanut butter for my taste. That will get sucked into my mouth.
Well, we'll have to see. This might be a one peak kind of day today, because we got some clouds. Unless the sun burns those off or they move off somewhere else. We may have to call it, we'll see. We're in the clouds now. Here we go.
First one.
Let's go, Amir.
First one.
First one, dude. First 14er ever. Way to go, man. Way to go, dude. Pretty excited. Just had to clear it up for a second. Cameron's over there in the clouds. Can't see it right now. It's downhill time. All right, we're basically down from Democrat. Oh, nice and steep, rocky descent. And we're about to get to the saddle here. And I think we're gonna give this next one a shot, and we'll just kind of keep an eye on the weather. And if it starts looking bad, we can just come straight down the saddle and skedaddle, get out of here. So, yeah, we'll see how it goes. Look at this. Look at these clouds. They're just like blowing up the ridge. It's so cool. It was getting thin again. Num-nums.
Snacks, dude. I just come for the snacks. I'm not born anymore.
It's hard to chew and breathe, I've realized. It's kind of like one or the other. These are our friends. What are y'all's names, by the way?
Eric and Eliza.
Eric and Eliza. Yeah. I'm Thomas. Nice to meet y'all.
Nice to meet you.
This is hard.
Yeah.
This is such unflattering footage. They always convince me to do this shit.
Do your Wim Hof, man. Let's do this! Oh my God. Oh. No, just, yep. Thank you. Oh, warm my hands. Warm my hands. Warm my hands. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh man. Hard part.
Good job. Good job.
Splits off, I guess?
Oh, there it is. We got a little sign right here.
Momentary.
Hey. Top of the world, man. I do think we should try to keep moving though.
Yeah, we're walking along this ridge, so if it weren't for the clouds, you could see everything over here.
Look at Amir. You see that little speck up there? Oh man. Let's go.
First 14er, let's do 2 more.
Let's do 2 more. Mike? Yeah. Good job. All right, so we're going down here. So we double backed. Now we're taking this over there to Bross. And then we go down. So we got 1 more to go. Friends up there. Newfound friends. Wow, look behind us, guys. Okay, it's getting a little bit serious. We can hear thunder. I don't see any lightning or anything like that, but visibility is pretty bad. So we're just gonna zip over the top of Ross right now, and we're gonna go down. So have to screen grab for that summit shot, but we're really almost there. At this point, this is the fastest way down, so just gotta get up and over. As you can tell, I have sped up a lot because now I'm breathing super hard. And the crew's right behind me, so we'll tag it and we'll dip, and that'll be that. It's right here, y'all. This is it. Say hello, top of Ross. Nice job. Yeah, let's go. Rest of the crew is like right here. They'll be up here in just a sec. But yeah, we gotta go. Jogging down now. Trying to get the heck out of here.
Started hearing thunder.
Yeah, just timing wise, it was like 100 vertical over the top, so it was just the fastest way to get down was to go up. Oh, almost ate it right there. Okay, I'm putting this away. So here's my trekking post.
What are you doing? Get off the stage!
So we're trying to do, we'll see what happens. Mayflower and Mohawk Lake. And we brought a friend along. She's kind of busy right now. But good timing, dog. Good timing. We just started. Good timing. Should be fun. Let's see how far we get. Hey Dash, how do you feel about your boots? How do you feel about your boots?
Boots are made for walking. These boots are made.
That's pretty sweet. Woo! Can you lie in it? Okay, this morning it is Mount Elbert day today. It's a little after 5 o'clock. We just got to trailhead, Mount Elbert. Over there. So when we got out of the car said it was 38 degrees. I didn't believe it. It's like, oh, it's definitely warmer than that. Now I got my gloves on, got my hood on. Amir's got his face.
My gloves.
Oh, your gloves.
Okay.
Are you are you sure you don't want to go back? Bye.
Land.
There's another one? Oh, there's another one.
Come land. Just a regular branch. No.
Tree line, here we are. Yeah, we were just getting started, really. We got a lot to go.
Why do you say that stuff?
Sorry. So we're at 12,500 feet, and there are a bunch of mosquitoes still. I'm not used to that. Just wanted to take a sec to thank all the trail workers who maintain the trail and I put steps like these in. It's a ton of hard work. As usual, meeting a ton of nice people. Amir and I were just talking about life goals. There's this older couple. I don't know, how old do you think they were?
65.
Yeah, maybe 65. And they're doing it, man. They're doing this. It's so cool. Yeah, I hope we see them on the way down close to the top, because They were super friendly. What do we have in here?
2DJ number 1.
Wow. Oh yeah, this is pro. Like
Yeah.
this, what's the secret?
I'm not gonna tell the whole world, dude.
Well, they're not gonna. They're gonna steal your. They're gonna steal your recipe. Hidden ingredients.
Gotta like and subscribe, and we'll email you the
You got 3
recipe.
ingredients. feet. So I'm pretty sure this is fake summit number 2. And we can actually see the summit now. It's a party at the top. Let's do this right now. So that makes 7 14ers in 7 days. Dude, we did it.